Hello. It's another week for us to look at the markets and prepare ourselves and our mind for the coming week. So like I normally do my weekly outlook and I upload it here. Um, Now is another week. So we're gonna look at for a few pairs for the coming week and take advantage of his direction. So I got some messages like some persons they had losses last week. Some make some profit and also some blew their accounts. Okay, guys. My apologies that I didn't upload my weekly outlook last week. So like I promised, I'm gonna do that this week. So guys, here let's get started. Here we have a AUD USD on chart here. Though the analysis has been made already before now. So I'm expecting a bullish move on AUD USD. Okay, so here now you'll see that our price has broken out from our trend line. So price has broken out from the trend line and come back for a retest. Here is our trend line. So price has broken out from it, then come back for a retest of the trend line. So now if we make use of our horizontal, we make use of our line charts. Okay, if we make use of line charts, you will see that price has broken out from it, the retest on the trend line for up move. Okay, let's switch to line chart. All right, here is it on line chart. You see how price has been testing the trend line multiple times, then breaks it up, then come back to test it. Now we should be buying to the upside. Okay, guys, now we should be buying to the upside. Now we'll have a kind of a triple bottom here. Here we'll have a kind of a triple bottom. So we'll have this here. We'll have this here, the second one, and this one is acting as the third one. So now price moved like this, then to the upside, come back to test here. Now we expect price to do what? To start moving up. So guys, on AUD USD, I'm bullish on it. Remember I told you AUD USD and the SZD USD, they correlate positive in terms of when this one is bullish, the next one is bullish. When this one is bearish, the next one is bearish. They have similar movements. All right. So guys, yeah, I have a USD card also. Like I told you guys, I trade only USD pairs. I trade only USD related pairs. The only non-USD pair I trade is GBPJPY. And that's all. I trade only USD pairs. The non-USD pair I trade is GBPJPY. So in case maybe you are asking me for confirmation on any currency pair, please let it be USD pair or JPY. Okay, here now on the chart we have a USD card. Okay, so now USD card has been on a down move from the top. So now USD card hits such a zone here. Let me show you guys. So USD card hits, yeah, here is a zone. This point is a zone. So price is currently in that zone. So now we expect these points to break, then retest, then come to this next one here. So what we'll do now, we'll make use of our trend line and see what we have here. Okay. All right. Let's make use of trend line and see what we have here. Now, looking at it now, you will see that price has broken out from the trend line, then come back and retest it, then that move to be continued. Like this is what price did here. Price broke out, then come back and retest the trend line here, then it's coming down. So currently now price is on a level, sitting on a level. So for a safe entry, you have to wait for price to do what? To break and retest it, then to the downside. First target 125,855, then the next target is 124,978. So guys, I'm bearish on USD card, I'm bullish on AUD USD. So bearish on the USD card is when price what break out from this point, then I will sell. Okay. All right. So my next pair here is USD CHF. All right, USD CHF is my next pair here. Okay, so let's see what we have on USD CHF. Here on USD CHF, you see that price has been making some accumulation here. Price has been making accumulation here. So now, why is price making this accumulation here? Because price is trying to do what? To come to the downside. It's trying to come to the downside, but because of this level here, this level is a strong level. So that is why you are seeing price keep rejecting these points. Keep rejecting these points. You will see lots of weeks at the level. So price is trying to come down to the downside, but the level here is too strong for it to break. So it keeps ranging in this point. So what you have to do is this: you have to wait for price to break out from this point, then before you can enter this trade. So now on USD CHF, there's no decision yet on USD CHF. No buy signal yet, no sell signal yet. Okay, guys, no buy signal yet, no sell signal yet. Like if we use our horizontal line at this point, if you use a horizontal line at this point, you will see that price, is currently ranging in between these two zones. Look at it. You'll see that price is currently ranging in between these two levels here. That is what price is currently doing at this point. Okay, price is currently ranging in between these two levels here. So that is what is happening here. So we expect it to do what? To break it. When it breaks it, then we can sell to the downside. So for now, there's no decision yet on USD CHF because price is currently what? Ranging. So there's no decision on USD CHF yet. Okay, let's go to here. We have another currency pair, GBP USD. So we all know that GBP USD lately last week began its up move. So now after price broke out from these points, so now it's come back to retest it. So for possible what? Up move. So what will happen is this: you have to wait for price to what? Give you a buy signal. Currently, there's no buy signal yet. Looking at it now. So now you have to wait to see any reversal candle here, a kind of pin back candle or a kind of a doji candle here before you confirm your buy. Okay, because price can possibly come back to this point before going up. Price can possibly come back to this point then before up. So if price fails to come back to this point, that means you should wait for any of the candles I mentioned to print at this point. When they print at this point, then you can do what? You can buy. Okay, you can buy a target. Your first target 137,486. Then your next target should be around 3800. Then the final target should be 38781. All right. So now there's no buy signal yet for me here on GBP USD. So unless I see any of the candles I mentioned at this point, then I will buy. But if I don't see it, I'll wait for price to come and bounce to this point to emerge with this point here. As you can see, we'll be having a kind of something like this to this point, then up. So that means I'll be expecting price to bounce to this point here, then give me a buy signal candle, then I will buy and set my stop loss below the level. So guys, on GBP USD, I am bullish, but not taking entry until price come to this point, or price gave me was a buy candle, a buy signal candle here, which is either Pimba or Doji, any of the reversal candles here for a possible up move, then I will buy. Okay, guys, that is on GBP USD. All right. Another currency pair I have here is Euro USD. Euro USD. We all know that Euro USD also has been on up move. So and price come back and tested a broken level. Okay, price come back and tested a broken level here. Price broke out from this point, then come back and test it here. So that means now we are having what's a buy signal here. Yeah, we have a buy signal already on Euro USD. Okay, so now if you check these points, price comes to make a kind of what equal low here. We have these points here, then we'll have these points here. So this is what TSS. This point now is TSS. Okay. This is TSS, or you call it BBT. This is TSS. This is TSS, or you call it BBT. Okay. So now we should be looking for buy entry. When market open Euro US, we should be looking for buy entry on it, then to take it to the upside. Your first target should be 137,800. 117,800. Your first target 17800. Then your next target again should be 18,400. Then you can open the third door target. So guys, that's on Euro USD. Then another currency pair looking at is okay, we are looking at GBP JPY. Yeah, like I said, another USD pay I trade is GBP JPY. GBP JPY. All right. Okay. Like we all know that GBP JPY has been on up move for some days now. So now price hits these points here. Price hit this point here, then I'm dropped to these points, tested it. Now we are having a kind of something that want to happen here. It's a kind of where we say inverse head and shoulder. Then we'll be having something like this. Okay, guys. So you have to be mindful that this pair is seen on a bullish run. So meaning that we'll be expecting price to get to this point, because I'm seeing many people selling this pair, holding a sell also. So now we'll be expecting price to move, This is what price did, move to the pause. Then when it hit this point here, it's come back to test this level here. Then we'll be expecting it to do what? To move to the upside. Okay, we'll be expecting it to move to the, so that means what happened here is what? A pullback. All right, what happened there is a pullback. So now it's giving you what? Entry to do what? To take your buy. This is what price did here. Price moved to the upside, then pull back. We'll be expecting price to do what? To move to the upside. Okay, now as you see that price respected this zone here, what you have to do is this. You have to wait for this zone to do what? To break. When this zone break, it is safe for you to do what? To take your buy, because taking your buy, that price can possibly what? Respect this zone again. So what you do is this: you have to wait for this zone to break. When this zone breaks, then you take your buy to the next what? Level. Okay, guys. Another pair I'm looking at here is I'm looking at gold. Like for you, those of you that watched my video on gold, that I said gold will test 1777 before the down move. As you can see, gold hit 1777, then it started spiking up, spiking above the level. This was my previous analysis on it, which I say gold will hit 1777. Yeah, it's the analysis, the tool I use for it. So price keeps spiking up above 1777 before it started coming down. Like I said, my target still remained 1722 on gold, but now currently now price did not get to that point, but hopefully price will still come down more. But now looking at gold, you see that gold make an equal low here. So now this is what gold did here. We have gold make a equal low here. You see the bullish candle rejecting this point. So this is a TSS. So now we're expecting price to do what? To move to this upside. Then when price gets to this upside, we might be seeing it the last drop to 1722. Okay, guys, I'm expecting gold to hit 1765, then the last drop to 1722. All right, so this is my bias on gold. This is my bias on gold. So another USD pair here I'm to look at is USDJPY. USDJPY has been on up move since last week, and I've been seeing so many people trying to sell USDJPY. Many got stopped out, many closed on loss. You know, on USDJPY, you'll see price has been on up move. Price has been an up move, and the momentum of the bulls are still in the market. So for you to take that trade, you don't have to try forcing price down. You have to wait for price to give you a sell signal, because I'm seeing so many persons trying to force price down, but price keep pushing up, pushing up, pushing up, pushing up to the upside. Okay, guys, so here I will have a USDJPY. Like currently, I'm gonna avoid trading the pair this week until I see a sell signal. So now here I'm expecting this pair to hit this point, then come to this point, then range a bit before dropping. Or if this pair breaks this point, that means it's going to the upside. Okay, guys, that means it's going to the upside. It's going to the upside to do what? To make an equal high. It's going to the upside to make an equal high, then drop from that point. Okay, but currently now, price is at what critical level at which we expect so many persons are expecting it to do what? To reverse because of this level here. Okay, so now, but I am expecting it to do what? To get to this point. When it gets to this point, okay, then we'll be seeing it coming down. So when it gets to this zone now, price will make this kind of ranging move here before they drop. So guys, I want you guys to be patient on this space and stop forcing the price to come down. Stop forcing the price to come down, guys. Wait for it to give you a sell signal before you check the sell. Like now, this is what I'm expecting on it. All right. So that is all for this week. So I am bullish on GBP USD, Euro USD, AUD USD, NZD USD. Okay, guys. Then I am bearish on USD card. Though I wait for that level I showed you guys to be broken out before I take my sell. Then USD CHF, there's no decision yet on USD CHF because price is still ranging. Then USD JPY, there's no sell signal yet because price has not gotten to my watch to my area of interest. So gold, I am bullish on gold to 17.6. This is my point on gold, 17.65. Okay, guys. So then on GBP I'm bullish only if that level breaks the level I showed you guys, which is this level here. Only if it breaks, then I will take my buy to the upside, which is 152795. So guys, I wish you guys a peaceful week, and also make sure you manage your money well, and do not expose your accounts to the market so that you won't blow up your account and you know start looking for money to fund again. So guys, I wish you good luck. And also I appreciate you guys for sharing the links to your friends and neighbors and so on, people around the world receiving the link to subscribe to the YouTube channel. And I really appreciate and thank you all. And also I said keep on sharing the link. Also more likes, comments, your view on what you just watched. If there is any additional thing you would like to add, you would like me to adding up on my chart, please, I would like you to do that on the comment section also, guys. So like I said, I'm going to make a video on the MFF Medici, how I passed my MFF challenge and get funded. Though I failed multiple times before I discovered the secrets to passing of MFF. Yeah, passing of my Forex fund challenge. I failed multiple times. I didn't say I passed it immediately. I failed multiple times before I was able to discover the secret behind passing this program. And ever since I discovered it, I've took another account and I've passed it. Then I'm currently going to my phase 2 on it. Though I helped someone by giving the person the tips on how I passed it, and the person has also do what passed her phase 2. So she's currently waiting for her days to complete so that she will receive her live account. So I said whenever the channel hits 500 subscribers, I'm gonna make the video on it, the tips on how I did it, and also the secret behind how I made it so fast and get funded. So thank you guys. I wish you good luck and a peaceful week this coming week, guys. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button and also turn on the notification so that anytime I upload new video, you you will be able to watch to get the notification. Okay, guys. Thank you.